this is Sebastian here in this video about my cats. So I'm just going to tell you about my cats so you can watch what they're doing. It's really great. They eat their food. They actually really eat their food. Yeah. They like to eat food. I like to eat food too. Shout out to Tommy. Watched some of my videos. Julia's just, well, she's so yeah, very interesting. This is a scooter. Ride around on it. How do I take a video and run around on a scooter? I don't know. I just do it somehow. I will manage. Beep beep. Here I go. I'm running around on my scooter. I'm riding around in my scooter. Oh, and this is my basement. I know my house was made in 1952. It's 64 years old. It's very old. Those are my pretty little kitties, Jessie and Frosty. Jessie is 8. She's going to, on July 25th of this year, she's going to be 9. Frosty is 5. She's going to be 6 on July 17th of this year. Yes, I know, her birthday's the 9th of July. Frosty is really pretty, but Jessie is super nice. Frosty is also super nice, too. Yes, you are. Yes, you are! Yes, you are! You little great kitties. Okay, yeah, Frosty and Jessie. I know Frosty was white when she was a kitten and I was 5 when I got her, so Frosty was the only name I could think of. So, yeah. Okay, this is Sebastian signing out. This is Jessie. That's Jessie. That's Frosty. This is Sebastian signing out. Bye!